What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. I hope you guys like that semen video, man. We've seen tons of rides, tons of freaking cars, man. It was forever, but we are back home, got the bikes in the back, and it's time to get back to work, man. I can't wait. But I'm tired of looking at the gold thing, man, so I think I'm about to load this thing up on my truck and head up to the north, man. So without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide Special or my 2014 Road King back there, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, it's time to get this gold thing out of here. It's been sitting here long enough, looking good, but you guys already know what time it is, man. It's time to get this thing up to the bay, man. So let's load this thing up and get up out of here. I ain't loaded a bike in a long time, so let's hope this thing go well, man. Shall we? Trying to find a light. Okay. Now we got this thing loaded up, man. It's time to shine. It's time to slide, man. This thing is off to North Carolina. Alrighty, man. We at one of the gas stations. Our first little stop here today. We're like halfway already, man. It's like we left at like maybe 12:30, 1 o'clock. It's about 4 or something. So we're gonna get it cracking, get this show on the road, keep moving and grooving, man. So more gas to smash. Alrighty, guys, we have made it out to Oakland, Northern California, dog. We are not too far from the winner's crib, man. So we're gonna find somewhere to offload this thing and get it together. But we have made it out here. We are up here at the A Stadium. It's time to go up, man. Alrighty, guys, we just got to our dog Otto's crib, man, and I haven't even told him that I was coming out here. Like, I told him like top of the week next week. But I freaking threw the bike on the back of the truck last night. Last minute was like, if I get out there, I'll be good. But if I don't want to freaking tell him I am, and then I don't show up. So long story short, man, we ended up here early in the morning. It's about 7, 8 o'clock, right before 8 o'clock, rather, man. We about to hit our dog up and see what he's got going today and see what's good. He doesn't know we are out here or even dropping the bike off today yet. So let's see what's good. Man, I didn't hit the little ring freaking button. He still didn't answer yet. We're gonna see what's up, man. I'm out here way in Oakland. You better wake up early. Let's see, man, wake up. I'm waking up the neighborhood today, y'all. We on the ring camera, man. I don't even know if he gonna be here. We got action or what? Are you there?
I'm here. I'm going to stand.
Oh, man, I hope you wasn't asleep, man. Yeah, nah, I'll wait. Don't worry. I'll be right out here, big dog. Yes, sir, man. So we finally got the winner to wake up, man. So we're gonna set this camera up, get it all going, start taking this bike off the freaking back of the truck, man. What's up, man? Oh yeah, I don't do dogs, man. Oh, cool. Man, we've been waiting like all morning for you, man. I'm like, man, he gotta be still asleep or something, dog. See, I tried to surprise you, man, but you know,
It's up to Tony to keep my phone on.
I'm like, I don't see the message going through or nothing, man. What's up, man? How you doing? Nice meeting you, man. Y'all see it here first, man. My guy Otto, all the way from Northern California. Tell him where. Hey, man, you see what time it is? It's early as heck, man. You see what's going on. We brought it to your door. I was telling you on camera that it was gonna be next week, but I tried to give you the flu flam, you know, and just pop up, man. So you see we here. I hope you didn't have nothing to do this early. He said, this is it right here, man. You see it live in the flesh in person, man. How it look in person compared to, like, you know, on a computer screen or however you be watching it.
it's like, this is crazy.
That's dope,
This is
man.
crazy. Look at this.
Yes, sir. We here at your crib, man. Let them know where we at, man. Where we at?
We in East Oakland, California.
East Oakland, California. You see, it's so funny, man. I used to do donuts out here. Yeah, I just noticed this was like the donut street that we used to come to all the time. We always used to get cracking right down the block, man. So it's dope to be over here again, man. Yes, sir, man. We gotta I could probably pull it up on the back. I was probably just gonna pull it up on the sidewalk like this because I didn't even know you was up just yet. So I was gonna.
I can move this and go.
Oh yeah, if you want to back up a little bit, that'll be perfect too. Either or. Yeah, man, we gonna get this thing situated. Yeah, nah, it's all good. You good? We live in the flesh. We here, man. So you already know what time it is. Oh man, it was quick. It seemed like I left like 12 last night, but yeah, I've been here for a few hours, man.
And you know what? I in your last video. Ripping and running. I'm like, I'm gonna get his rest, you know what I'm saying? Stay hydrated.
Yeah, now it's like, man, I'm just waiting for these other parts and stuff to get in now. So I'm ready to go full throttle. And I was gonna bring this one next week, but I'm like, man, next week I'm gonna probably be like even busier. So I wanna just get this out the way, you know? So I was like, let me hit the road, man.
It's crazy, man.
Man, so you be riding or what?
Lightweight, nothing crazy.
Like, man, have you ever had a Harley before?
I never had a Harley.
Never had a Harley?
I got this V-Star back.
Oh, you got the V-Star? Okay, bet.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm putting around on the dirt bikes and stuff. But I mean,
so you pretty used to how things work, so you'll be all right.
Yeah. You know, we had a little incident at the corner a couple of months ago, or maybe a year ago. Dude was smashing whatever. I guess he had a pistol on him or whatever.
Yeah.
So the cops trying to take his bike.
Oh, dang.
So I was like, I've got my license. I can take it back to the crib for you.
Right.
And it was a road glide. That was my first time riding a road glide.
Oh, dang. So you did.
So I was like, ooh.
Hey,
I was like, oh.
It all worked out some way.
So by the time I got used to it, you know, it was at the house already.
Right, it was ready to go, huh?
And then I test rode one in May. I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's nuts, man. So how you like so you like the road glides then?
I do. Yeah. But this one right here, this don't feel like second place, brother.
Yeah, no. He said it don't feel like second place.
This don't feel like second place. Crazy hard.
What happens when you're doing good?
Yeah.
Get the blessing.
Y'all see it there first, man. My guy got the Harley all the way in Northern California, man. We in the Bay with it, East Oakland. Yes, sir. Y'all see it here first, man. Man, so, I mean, you been waiting this long, man. You got to ride that thing. You got to get a feel for it, man. You got to let me see how you sit on that, man. Let me see how you look, man. I got to see it, man. Got to see this, man. My boy about to go up. Got the joint on them joints, man. Got the joint on them joints, dog. I can't wait. We about to see how this thing is sliding.
Oh yeah, I just got a Simpson, but I gotta put the
the visor on there? Yeah. My man's then went and grabbed his helmet, man, everything. Oh, cheese sauce. Wow, man, you ready for this, man? I know you got the V-Star, man. You ain't never rode a Road King, have you?
Have not.
Never rode a Road King. Only rode one Harley, and that was a road glide from like the corner to like here.
That's it.
So this is about to be like your real like first like Harley ride, correct?
Yes, sir.
That's crazy, man. You better let them know what channel to tune in to. Oh yeah, we gotta show you how to work this.
Everything regular. I know this is
Everything right. All right, so bet. So we start over here, man. We gonna start in the middle, turn that joint on, flick it to the right. Now you in neutral, so you got green light. So this how you start it up right there. Power that, and then that's the firecracker right there, man. That's the firecracker right there, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see it here first. Y'all see it here first, man. My guy got that 2014 Road King with the everything regular special on that joint, man. We all the way out here in Oakland, California. East Oakland to be specific. Can't wait. How you think it sound, man?
like a champ.
It sound pretty good, right? Yeah, that's dope. That's dope. Now, a lot of people was online like, man, you should have did this like flip-flop. What you think?
That's cool. Like you said, it's kind of...
See, it don't bother you too bad, right? See, that's what I was thinking. I'm like, okay, maybe it's just not me. Maybe it's just me. So it's good to hear from you too, man. That's dope. Yeah, man. Y'all see it here first, man. Right, man. I gotta check this thing out, man. Yeah, don't hesitate to hop on that joint, man, and take it. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. We out here early morning. It ain't even like 9 o'clock yet. We waking up neighbors and everything today. Yes, sir. All right, I got faith. I got faith. I got faith. Good to go. Yes, sir. Let's hope for the best. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it. We are live in East Oakland, California, man. Not too far from the stadium, man. I'm excited. My dog Otto got his 2014 Road King. All he did was cop a Everything's Regular hat, and he won that joint, man. You could be next. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat right now, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Like I said, man, we are like 8 hours away from the crib. That was a long freaking drive, but the trip was well worth it, man. My dog Otto got his bike, and I'm excited that he's riding it and loving that thing, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what his ride is looking like.